A 9-day event filled with live concerts, workshops, theater, exhibits, and live art installations. Art Week Orleans really has it all.
So we have spoken word, we have poetry, we have hip-hop music, we have photography.
It's the second year Orleans Cultural District is hosting Art Week Orleans. 6 days in, on April 23rd, we met with Joanne Del Negro, chair of the Art Week.
It's been wonderful. I mean, the community has just been so giving and thrilled, really.
And speaking of community, on the village green, Echo Art Cape Cod has decorated trees with bracelets. Surrounded by them is artist Sarah Thornington from Yarmouth. She invites the community to come help weave local current history, one piece of beach debris at a time.
I am Sarah Thornington, and I'm an artivist, which means that I use my art as activism. I just wanted to have an event where the community could get together and weave, kind of like an old-time sort of quilting bee, where people come together, they create a little art, they talk. But in this case, what we're weaving with is all marine debris, all things that have been picked up off of our local beaches. In the times that we're living in, I think one of the most important things that we can do is to come together as a community. This morning we had a group of women, and they were just on all sides of the weaving. And they were just chatting about all sorts of things. And it was so, I literally was just going, this is exactly what I anticipated.
You gonna add a little piece to it? I should.
The mission of the Orleans Cultural District is to bring culture and art to the town and also foster the creative businesses in the town.
Many people feel that art events cultivates a sense of community pride, according to a study by the research organization Americans for the Arts. Such events generated almost $30 billion in taxes to communities across the U.S. in 2022. Attendees also tend to go out to restaurants and shop at local stores, contributing to the local economy.
We chose this week specifically. It was a jam-packed week because it was Easter, it was Patriots' Day, Earth Day, and school vacation. We chose it specifically because it is school vacation. We knew families would be here. We knew grandparents were having their grandkids here, By doing that, we'd also be bringing businesses traffic. So we try to bring things to the town that further the mission of culture and art, but also further influx of revenue to the town.
On Saturday, April 26th, Art Week Orleans ends with a slam.
We are ending the entire week's events with what we call the Story Slam. It's from The Mosquito, which was created in P-Town by Vanessa Vardabedian. And you get to stand up if you have a true story, 5 minutes, no notes. And our theme is fresh starts and new awakenings. So you can take that theme any way you'd like to. And that's going to be at the Town Cove Tap House, which is the greenhouse section of Snows. And we're going to have food truck there. So that'll be a really fun event from 7 to 9.